Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of searching for the latest news in X. Stay informed and up to date with the latest happenings around the world with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Locate the search icon in the bottom drawer and tap on it to initiate a search. Step 3. Enter your desired search query to find the news you're interested in. X provides a vast range of news topics, so type in the relevant keywords. Step 4. Now, let's find the latest news. Tap on Latest from the top slider. X will present you with a curated selection of the most recent news articles and updates that match your search query. Stay informed about current events, breaking news, and trending topics with the latest news feature in X. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for the latest news in X and access up-to-the-minute information. Whether you're interested in world news, sports updates, entertainment headlines, or any other news category, X has you covered. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to search for the latest news in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.